all you need is your hair scalp, your castor oil, your sugar. I've mixed sugar 3 teaspoons here. I've mixed castor oil here. Then I will also be using this also. So all you have to do is shake, 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 shake. Then so I didn't use a lot, it's only 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then the castor oil. Then I'll be also mixing with this hair scalp. So guys, exfoliating your scalp is very important. It's very important also to exfoliate your scalp. So okay guys, I've got some wiper, so I want my hair to have that little bit of the wetness, so I don't want to spray water. So I will use the wipers, because yeah. So there is this wipe, I've got that aloe vera thing, so I will use them. The scalp, take another one, like use then use so then I will exfoliate. So I'll start by I thought this would be able to come out here, but it's not. But it's not a problem. Like, it's not. Then I will use it like this. Okay. So we've got some. Then we need to take these and mix this. So I'll be mixing like this. So like exfoliating your scalp is everything. There is an old video, I think it's about a year I've done this. So now how it is, then I will be putting this on my scalp. Guys, you can use brown sugar, like you can use any sugar of your choice actually, as long as it's sugar. Then exfoliate, then massage your scalp. Massage your scalp. Yeah. So then you continue. The reason I'm using this scalp conditioner is because there is peppermint on it. So because I'm having a short hair, I think this will be enough. So yeah, then you mix, then you exfoliate. Exfoliating is the important parts of our hair growth. So when you exfoliate your scalp, your hair growth get that stimulant that helps with the blood flow. So the best times to exfoliate is after a protective style. So that's why I did the DIY scalp scrub here with sugar and castor oil. So guys, the reason I ate that scalp conditioner with peppermint is because the peppermint is like fight or help with dandruff, so that's why I've used it. So do this before the wash day. So before you wash your hair, you must do this. There are 5 benefits for exfoliating your scalp. 1, it removes the built up. 2, it removes the dead skin. 3, it promotes the shine. And 4, it stimulates the hair growth with that blood flow that I've talked about. So that's why we get that stimulant to our hair growth. Then 5, it prevent the dandruff, because we don't want dandruff in our hair, guys. We want that growth. So this is how I have exfoliate. So you can see I've washed my hair. Then I will use this again. Yeah, but I have shampoo and I've like done. So getting rid of the sugar. You can use brown or any sugar of your choice. So clean it up, because my hair is clean. So yeah. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Yeah guys, so yeah, see you on the next video. Much love, peace, y'all, bye.